Hey guys, it's Megan. I'm back here with another Ulta haul, so let me just get started. Got this really pretty headband. You guys know I cut my hair short, so I just wanted to put something in my hair to spice it up. And there's actually a number of different ways you can wear it. You can wear it like this, kind of like a tiara. You can wear it like this, kind of like, you know, the hipster looking way. You can put your hair back like that, or you can just wear it like a normal headband. And this was $10, and it's got these really pretty gold and silver accents and these really pretty rhinestones. So I really like that. And it's by Pink Pewter. Then I got two perfumes. You guys know Kate Spade recently died, so I didn't know if they were going to continue to come out with her stuff or not. So I got this Kate Spade perfume. It's called Walk on Air, and it's really pretty. It's like a light floral scent. It's like the perfect perfume in my opinion. It's like not overpowering, and it's very just light and refreshing, and it's just like a perfect combination of like roses and just very airy smelling. So I wanted to get this. I thought it had a really pretty bottle. It was like $60 for this, but it does have a lot in it. It doesn't say the ounces, the fluid ounces, but anyway, I did have a coupon that I used for this. So anyway, it wasn't that ridiculously expensive. And then I got this rollerball perfume to put in my purse. This one is called Live Colorfully. And this one was actually marked down from $30 to $15. And this says Sunshine, Live Colorfully Sunshine. And this is like a floral fragrance as well, but it's very kind of like fruity and floral at the same time. It's not overpowering as well. It's just very kind of light and fruity and florally. Very nice summer fragrance, really anytime, but it's just a rollerball perfume, so I thought I'd put that in my purse. And this was only $15. So I got that. And then I got this BH Cosmetics palette, and this was marked down to $12. And I actually have the BH Cosmetics, what do you call it, the Zodiac palette, and I just love the eyeshadows in that. So once I saw that this was on sale, I decided to get this one as well, and I just love the shadow colors in it. I mean, the camera is just really not doing it justice. I mean, it's so pigmented. I mean, I can create some really beautiful looks with this, and it's got a mix of warm and cool tones, so it would really be great for any skin tone, I think. So I just had to pick this up. So I'm really excited to use that, and it has a mirror as well. It has lots of blues, and grays, and oranges, and purples, and has some pink and some pretty bronze colors. So I'm really excited to play with that. Sorry, my son had some Play-Doh on the bed. Then, I know they just came out with the new SophX Extra Spice palette, but I didn't have her original palette, so I decided to get this. This was $15, and I just love the shades in this as well. And I like the fact that it has a lot of mattes in it as well, because I don't have a lot of palettes that have a lot of matte shades in it. I have a lot of palettes that have like a lot of shimmers in it. And I thought this would be a good travel palette because there are so many mattes and shimmers, and there's a lot of transition shades that I could use, because I do like to travel, whether it's, you know, in-state, or if I'm going to visit my dad, or if I'm going, you know, you know, somewhere with my husband or whatever. But anyway, and it has a nice big mirror too. And so it would be great to, you know, to take traveling. And I saw a lot of tutorials on it, and the shadows are really pigmented as well. I love this pine tree shade right here, this green. And then the matte shadows are really pigmented too. So anyway, I'm going to have fun playing with that. Don't mind my candy cane pants. I'm just lounging around before I go to bed. But anyway, then what else did I get? Oh, I got this this other Makeup Revolution product. This is the luxury baking powder. I've never tried any other baking powder besides like the Coty powder, which I love, but I just haven't been able to find it recently. I know they sell it at Walmart, but I really despise going to Walmart because I can't go in there without spending, you know, $100. So I just figured I'd order this online. It doesn't come with a whole lot in it. I mean, maybe it has the same amount of product in it, but it doesn't have the big lid and the sifter like the Coty powder does. So I'll probably just pour this into the Coty powder thing that I have, and then I'll just use this. So and this is in the shade Lace, so hopefully it's light enough for me because I am very pasty. So yeah, just thought I'd give that a try. I think that was really cheap too. I want to say it was like $5. And then I got a free gift for spending a certain amount. So I got this Smashbox Photo Finish sample. I've never tried this before, but I've heard really good things about it. It says it's oil free. So we'll give that a try. And then I got this Stila Stay All Day Cover Powder Finish Foundation Cream Concealer. This was actually marked down too. This was like originally like $30, and I got it on sale for like $15, I want to say. It was really cheap. But anyway, I'm going to give it a shot because I do like cream to powder foundations. So once I do try it out, I will do a foundation review for you guys. So I've never tried anything from Stila before because it is so expensive, but it was only $15, and with the way prices have been going at the drugstore, pretty much all the drugstore foundations are like $15, so I was like, whatever, hell, why not? I'll try it, you know. I can get a high-end foundation for $15. You know, I'll try it. So anyway, yeah, I'll do a review on that and tell you what I think. And that is my Ulta haul. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'm really excited to try these eyeshadow palettes. Probably the most out of everything. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great week.